The OnePlus N6X is officially confirmed to launch in India on July 31, 2026. Official teasers from the OnePlus India Launch Page reveal a distinct shift from the standard OnePlus N6. Features a vertical, pill-shaped camera block in the top left corner. Come in two colors, burgundy red and ice blue. The OnePlus N6X has a flat design. At the top is the 3.5mm headphone jack, and at the bottom is the USB-C port. The OnePlus N6 packed an 8000 mAh battery, pair with 45W SuperVOOC fast charging, a 6.67-inch or 6.8-inch HD Plus LCD screen supporting a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset with 5G connectivity, starting at 4GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage, a 50MP primary rear camera paired with an 8MP front-facing shooter, price point of around 19,990 Indian rupees to 20,999 Indian rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.